Yep, let's check your shoulder. Come here for a second and just relax. Just let it drop. Nice and easy. Just let it relax. You might feel a little pop inside here. Good. Good. Bring it down. You take this side and just relax the arm. Just going to come in like this. You might feel a little pop. Let it go. There we go. A little pop. Good. Bring the shoulders back. Good. Let me take this and just relax a little bit. Good. Same thing here. Good. Just relax here. And just relax. Good. Just going to do one more thing here. You're going to feel just that. So come here with your arms. You're going to go back a little bit. Stretch out the shoulder. Good. Come back here. And check the other side. Same way. Just going to open up the shoulder joints. Because we hunch over all day. Good. Come back here. Good. Andrea, I want you to sit here now. Con una pierna aquí, la otra right over there on that side. Sitting facing that way. We're going to do a little twist. A little twist, right? So put your legs there. You're going to cross your arms. Cross your arms like this. Now see. Good. And I'm going to twist like this. And I just want you to breathe in very deep. And breathe out. And breathe out. Just like that. Hold on. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Good. Just going to come here. Good. Let's cross the arms the other way. Let's check this way. Breathe in again. And all the way out. Just kind of let it go. A little bit easy. Just like that. Okay. Relax your arms. And I want you to come and lay down, boca abajo, face down if you can, okay? Good. I got you. I'm going to bring it down here a little bit. Excellent. Good. Comfortable? Good. Okay, let's measure the legs, see how we're doing, and just relax. Okay, so that right side is a little short. We're going to do just a little tap inside here. You're going to feel a little tap, just want to loosen this up. Okay? Good. Good. Just relax a little bit and adjust the bottom of the pelvis. Good. Raise up this leg now. Bring it up. And back down. Good. There we go. Same thing. Relax here. Nice and easy. Good. Bring this leg up. Nice and easy. Straight up. Very good. Come right back down. Excellent. I'm just going to come inside of the pelvis. Good. Just like that. Okay, we're going to do a little tapping inside here. Just a bit. Good. Okay, and just relax. This is going to drop like this. Good. And then I just want you to breathe in very deep and breathe all the way out. Just relax. Good, good. Right side here also. Breathe in very deep and all the way out and relax a little more. Good. Okay. Good. Just going to put a little more movement right up top inside here. Good. So just breathe easy. Nice and easy. Just going to come inside here. A little bit more and relax. Come back here. Just want to put a good stretch inside here and relax. No, relax your shoulders, nice and easy. Just going to put a stretch inside here. See if we can get a little more movement. That's a little too tight. You won't fall off the table, I promise. Alright, I'm going to turn you this way. Right there. Head's going to come right over here. And relax it, nice and easy. I'm going to bring you a little closer, okay? Good. You're going to feel like you're going to fall, but you won't fall, I promise. Just want to stretch out your lower back a little bit. All right, so let your hips kind of go forward a little bit more. And I want you to breathe in really deep for me. If you can, breathe in. And just kind of let it out. A little bit more. Good. Okay. All right, let's go on the other side. Yeah, we're going to try to loosen that up a little bit more. Good. And let this leg come off the table to stretch. Really get a good stretch in that hip. All right? Almost like Pilates. Okay. Come lay on your back. Okay, keep your hands right here. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to hold on. Squeeze together. Your knees squeeze. There we go. Separate. Good. Bring this down and relax your leg. Relax the leg. Oh, nice and easy. A little bit of movement. Good. Let this leg fall down to the side. Stretch the hip. You okay? Too much? Okay, good. Good. Okay, and relax. I'm going to go straight up. No, relax leg. I'm going to stretch out the muscle here for a second, okay? Let it relax, nice and easy. Good. How's that feel? Too much? Good. Dancing legs. You got dancing legs. Good. Come back here. Relax a little bit here. Good. Good. Okay, now let's relax this leg. Same thing. No, just easy. Suave. Nice and easy. Good. Good. Let this fold down. Poquito más, just let it drop. Good. Ocho. 10. Good. Come here. Gracias. La propina. Thank you. Good. Good. Good, excellent. Okay. Okay, come a little closer this way. Perfect. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. And just relax right inside here. That's tight. Right there. Okay, just relax a moment. Good. So I just want you to breathe nice and easy, nice and normal. I'm going to turn a little bit. Thank you. Good. Just going to move here in a little bit. Good. I'm just going to stretch a little bit. A little bit more. Good. And just relax a little bit. A little more. Come back here. Take a minute. Right there. Relax, nice and easy. Gonna move your hair a little bit. Good, and just relax. Do a little stretch. Just breathe easy, okay? No, relax the shoulders. Don't take that. Yeah, it's tight. I'm just gonna let that go a little bit. That's it. I know it's kind of tough.
Oh yeah.
Take a minute. Take a minute with that. That was a big one. Okay, I just want to check your jaw for a second, all right? So I'm going to open your mouth slow, wide, and close. Again, and close. Okay, I'm going to do a little tap right there. It's going to feel, all right? That's what you're going to feel. Open your jaw again. A little tap. Good. Same thing, open up nice and easy. Good, just relax. So that just kind of adjusts the jaw a little bit. because sometimes it gets a little bit loose, and sometimes we grind when we're mad. We're nervous. We grind our teeth. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.